mind taking it?
You want to watch it? I know. Oh, that would be great.
Oh,
That would be great. Oh, this is so cool.
And they're called gentle giants.
I'm sorry?
is it eating what you're giving it?
Not yet. But it looked up. That is so cool.
It's so sweet.
Oh, I want to pet it. My boss one came to Florida and said they were swimming with manatees, and he comes to visit. He's like in Texas, and I've never seen one in real life.
You have people in
17 years. Cute.
that scratches on
You've been here for a long time. I know.
There's a big green iguana somewhere right there.
The iguana we've seen.
it. Oh, there's a
Oh my goodness. Don't they just eat veggies and stuff?